Pay my light bill. Does that make sense? I was crying because of the situation, in regards to all black Americans. I was saying that I miss my country. There's not a day in my life that I don't miss my country. Yeah, for real. Somebody wrote me last night, right? And they say that whenever they're here, they are sick. Every part of them sick. And as they go to Jamaica, they feel well. And as they get off the plane here, they take sick again. It's just life, real life. Then somebody cussed me off my day upon Facebook, so I'm not an ambition on my work list. Yes. And you might see me I drop words upon my Instagram. But then some work list, but then some I have one man in Canada. And them say, let me tell you, I used to come on social media and tell the truth, nothing but the truth. And when I was that truthful, then tell PLI upon me. I write some things with me about myself. Them all touch down upon my mother, my dead mother. So I don't think I will ever, I am honest, but at the same time, I don't think I will ever spell it all out. Why should I? Nobody was more honest than Amari, Although I was stupid though. Crying over Bob for 2 years. Girl, come on now. But maybe even that should have been dishonest. Because people don't like honesty. You don't know? America is ran on dishonesty. You fill out a job application. Tell the truth. Tell the truth now and see if you're getting the job. Citizenship. When my dad went for his citizenship, they asked him, what floor you live on? And he said, the first floor. They asked his wife, what floor you live on? She said, the second floor. They just threw his case out. He had to go to Mexico to divorce that itch and do it all over again. It's just the way the country is ran. The other day, I was about to purchase a house, so the lender was asking me some questions. They said, "Where did you live? Your last residence?" And I was like, "The shelter." And he was like, "I'm sorry, Miss Fong Chung, but we're not able to help you." So where honesty gonna take you? That reminds me of my uncle. He had this Obia man that he used to come see in Jamaica. So he wanted us to tell him everything that was going on in Jamaica with us. So he brought the Obia man to our home. And the Obia man was like, you need to confess your sins. So they put 8 of us on the ground on our knees, And Trevor was confessing his sin. Oh, he loved Vilma, Margaret, who is Ayana, and everybody confessing their sins. And my uncle was like, confess your sins, and listening to what everybody's saying. And I was like, you ain't gonna catch me. He was like, Bernice, what's up with you? I said, I ain't got no sin to confess. So people will try to get the truth out of you to use it against you. Yep. I'm talking about those church folks. They tell you that you must confess your sins to God. Yeah, that's fine. God said I should meet him in my closet, behind closed doors. And